Well, as soon as the warm weather came in November through December, the market fell back pretty quickly. But I'm noticing here the volatility is getting lower and lower. And with prices, got a little double bottom here at 240. I think that there's good value trying to pick a bottom here with defined risk option spreads. For instance, a 290, 320 call spread for February costs you only $600. Then you get the ability to play long through this potentially cold winter that has not been priced in yet.
I'm Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures, coming to you from the Chicago Board of Trade with another episode of Tech Talk. Rounded out here pretty good over the last week, tested and held this significant support. This was previous resistance, then became support. And then we had a little bit of a breakout move today above the top end of the recent range. I think the bulls have the advantage until we see a breakdown back below this pocket. And held some significant support to start the week. And this was a big level, really going all the way back here to June. It was a spike high resistance breakout point in September, support here at the end of November, and we tested and held that. That was a must-hold area. Break and close below there would have opened the door for a lot more technical selling. Could have accelerated us down below that 60 handle. So
and as you have mentioned, maybe some optimism coming into the market on the idea that we could get cash firming up a little bit. And you probably got some short squaring positions up ahead of tomorrow's cattle on feed report as well. So today's momentum, this week's momentum, and even last week's momentum is all very encouraging. But I think a lot of this going forward is going to be hinging on tomorrow afternoon's cattle on feed report. The dollar's making multi-year lows, so funds are looking for places to park money. And right now, one of the cheaper assets out there seems to be the grain markets, and they've got a pretty good fundamental backdrop as well. So nice to see some momentum in today's session. Hopefully we can get some follow through to wrap up this week's trade.